Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful EXOBAR espresso machine. It comes to us with a few issues. Was leaking from there in the bottom, and the machine was like struggling to pull a good shot. And like when I tested, I found out these both elbows was broke, and we get like really hard time to find a replacement for that. And this hose also was like broken, so I just replaced them and make a tune up for the machine after give it like multiple times of deep cleaning, back flushing and deep cleaning for I still soaking the hot water filter here. Just put it back, and even like deep cleaning for the hot water spout and the steam one, and flush the both boilers multiple times. So let's go ahead and test it and make espresso shot on it. I don't have the same exact portafilter for this machine, so I'm not gonna go way far with this. This should be here, so when they put their own portafilter so they can align the gasket, it's nice and a good silicone gasket here with a new shower screen replacement of those. It gives really great shot. Got it, sticky cream, 3 layers of coffee. So it's doing great. So let's test the hot water. Functioning perfect and refilling right away with a steamer. That works great too, so the machine functioning perfect and refilling right away. Actually gets like the water will probe clean and resealed. Thank you for watching.